ActionBase is an innovative and powerful new way to collaborate on any human process or workflow. In order to understand what ActionBase is all about, we must first take a closer look at how we work today. We love email. We use it every day writing to friends or sending family photographs. But when it comes to professional work, regular email is not enough. We all rely heavily on email at work. We use it to send and receive updates, approvals, and documents to one another. And there lies the problem. As we email and work with many people to achieve a common goal, things get messy. Emails and documents are being sent all around, and we find ourselves drowning in information. As time goes by, things start falling between the cracks, and frustration rises. Consider the following problem. After a meeting with your coworkers, you take the time and write a list of who needs to do what and when. The document is static. Your decisions are essentially buried in the text. This makes follow-up and management a difficult task. And that's a problem. But there is a better way, and it means saying goodbye to the old mess of managing by email. Here's the basic idea. Instead of emailing one another, let's turn it around. See how we can all work together on the same email. We call this Action Mail. And instead of attaching a plain document with lists of action items, let's assign action items directly from within the documents. We call these documents Action Docs. Action Mail and Action Docs are designed to help you manage any type of human process. Internal or external audit reviews, along with recommendations and findings, ISO compliance checklists and procedures or environmental regulations for your factory, implementation of board of directors or executive management strategy, any type of event or case that needs resolving like suspected fraud or customer complaint. It doesn't matter how people work in your organization. With ActionBase, the process is simpler, faster, better. Meet Kelly. Kelly is an internal control officer at a leading healthcare provider. She's just finished a major review and is getting ready to send out her report to the department heads, including her audit findings and corrective recommendations. She sends an email with the document attached. As time goes by and people respond and update her, Kelly finds herself drowning in emails and attachments with no control over her review's findings and the implementation process. Kelly often feels frustrated and buried by the amount of emails and lack of control. There has to be a better way to manage this process. Kelly decides to try something new. Kelly creates a new action doc, which is a regular Word document, but it allows her to instantly define recommendations, milestones, tasks, while assigning responsibilities and deadlines. The action doc is the process. She publishes the action doc, and the magic starts. The action doc automatically sends each task to the relevant assignee as action mail. David, Sam, and Bill from personnel receive Kelly's recommendation to work on improving staff availability. They now all work on the same email, and when David responds or adds an attachment, everyone's immediately updated. Since there's only one action mail, there's never confusion about who's doing what or where things stand. The four are now collaborating efficiently. Kelly's happy. For the first time, she has full visibility and control over her review process. As the quarterly board meeting approaches, Kelly needs to submit a detailed audit report. She opens the original action doc with her audit review, and voila! The action doc shows exactly who did what and when on every finding and on every action item created in the process. ActionBase is revolutionizing email and documents. It's intuitive, easy to use, and completely embedded within Microsoft Office. With ActionBase, you can say goodbye to email overflow and out-of-date documents. It's designed to help you get things done. ActionBase. It's what you do.